In shoulder stand, that is Sarvangasana, there is a massage to this thyroid and parathyroid gland, as well as there is improved blood flow to this particular gland. Thyroid hormone, you would have experienced, many nowadays have this issue of hypothyroidism, which leads to weight gain, lethargy, dryness of the skin, as well as hair fall issues. By consistently doing shoulder stand, starting beginners probably can start with 30 seconds and you can progress to hold the posture up to 1 to 3 minutes. Consistently, if you do this particular posture for 3 months, I assure your thyroid hormones definitely will come under control, and it affects your skin will start glowing and your hair fall also will come down because thyroid hormones will be balanced better. Not only that, if you are suffering from Polycystic Ovarian Syndrome, irregular periods, that is also one of the reasons for increase in acne, weight gain, as well as hair fall. In shoulder stand, there is improved blood circulation to the ovaries. Again, it helps in balancing the hormones and reduces the effects or adverse effects caused because of the PCOS status. Next, very important thing is headstand. Again, see, often in a day, because of our erect posture, we stand. And because of the gravity, the blood is pulled towards the legs. As a result, there is increased blood stagnation in the lower limbs, leading to varicose veins and less blood supply to the brain and to the scalp. So these inversion postures, we call it, whether it is shoulder stand or headstand, here we are lifting legs above the gravity. Once legs are lifted above the gravity, automatically whatever the pooled blood drains towards the heart. Once heart is stretched, it contracts also better. As a result, more blood is pumped upwards towards your scalp, increasing the blood circulation to the hair follicle. As we discussed, whether it is minoxidil or using the growth factors or using these microneedling procedures, we are trying to increase blood flow to every hair follicle so that it grows better. Similarly, even in these postures, those asanas, where we lift leg off the ground and help the blood through the gravity, helping the blood to pool towards the scalp, we are increasing blood circulation to the hair follicle. So there are many studies again to prove this. By these asanas, the hair fall is decreased because of improved blood circulation to the hair follicles. So I would recommend every day consistently do Surya Namaskars, Bhujangasana, Paschimottanasana, shoulder stand a must, and if you can do headstand, nothing like that.